If your Squarespace site is not accepting payment or customers are getting stuck at checkout, this video will show you the quickest way to fix it. We'll go step by step through the most common cause of payment issues on Squarespace, and that includes reconnecting your payment processor and making sure your plan actually supports selling. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and website walkthroughs. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to your Squarespace dashboard and log in to the account that controls your website. Once you're inside, look for settings, or on some sites you may see a selling menu instead. From there, go to selling, then payments. This is the area where Squarespace manages your checkout processes like Stripe, PayPal, or Squarespace Payments. If your store is not accepting payment, one of these connections may have become outdated, disconnected, or simply needs to be reauthenticated. Next, click on the payment processor you have connected. This might be Stripe, PayPal, or Squarespace Payments, depending on how your site is set up. Once you open that connection, look for the disconnect option and click it. This removes the old session and clears out any broken authorization that could be causing payment errors. After disconnecting, completely refresh your browser tab. Don't just click around the page. Make sure you fully reload it so Squarespace updates the payment settings properly. In many cases, this simple refresh is what allows the system to reset cleanly before reconnecting. Now, click Connect again and go through the reauthentication process. Sign back into your payment provider if prompted, then follow the steps to reconnect the account to Squarespace. Make sure you approve all required permissions so Squarespace can process payments correctly. This step is important because if the connection expires or becomes corrupted, checkout may stop working even though everything looks normal on the surface. After that, there's one more critical thing to check. Go back and confirm that your Squarespace subscription is upgraded to a business or commerce plan. This is extremely important because personal plans do not support storefront checkout. If you're on a personal plan, customers will not be able to complete payments through your site, no matter how many times you reconnect the processor. So if needed, upgrade your plan before testing checkout again. Once your payment processor is reconnected and your plan is eligible for selling, test the checkout flow again with a sample product or order. If everything is set correctly, your Squarespace payment issues should be resolved. And if this walkthrough fixed the problem for you, please give this video a like and subscribe because it helps the channel a lot and lets you find more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.